Hi, this is Jody, and I'm here to tell you all about the home diffuser. So, at some point in time, this was the main diffuser that you received. Kind of has a little rosette on top. This is similar to the one when I started 13 years ago. Mine was like this, but with a green lid. So, this one is a little bit of funness for me. So, this is actually in our homeschool room. And I have our homeschool oils right here. So when the kids are doing school, we have Fun, Genius, Pine, Grow, Vetiver, Inspiration, Genius, Clarity is also right here too. So I have this diffuser when the kids are doing school. This diffuser basically wafts over them as they're doing their school. What I'm gonna do is, obviously I've taken it out of the box. I have plugged it in. Here's the plug in back. I've plugged that in and it is ready to go. So I'm going to take the top off. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. I'm going to take that top off. And I have my water right here. And like all the other diffusers, it has a water line. So I'm either going to fill however much I have, the water I have, or I'm going to fill it to that line, like so. And today I have Thieves right beside me. So I'm going to unscrew the Thieves cap and put 1, 2, 3. And that's what I recommend if you're just starting out, is 3 drops. If you accidentally get 4 in, it's really okay. I'm going to put this back on top. And it is a certain way that it goes in. And then hit the button. Now, the reason it's not turning on is because I don't have it plugged in. So, mental note, plug it in.